What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be bringing back the paint to life, or bringing the paint back to life. About to get it all cleaned up, get all the dirt and stuff off of it again, move it into the garage, and then we're gonna start waxing it. Already got it jacked up in the front because I already sprayed the degreaser and stuff up under there from the massive oil leak it had when I got it. So that's been sitting for a minute. See if we can get it cleaned up. Yeah, I'm gonna get to it and I'm gonna pick you guys up once I get it sprayed with the foam and all that. Alright, so got it foamed up and already washed it once. Gotta move quick because as you can see it's drying up already, but we getting it done. It cleans up good, can't even lie, but once we get this wax on there, it should look 10 times better. But yeah, let me get it sprayed off and then moved in the garage, and then we're gonna get back to it. All right, so we got it in the garage all dried off. I'm about to get started. I'm gonna start off by hand waxing it, and then I'm gonna see how it comes out. Once I'm done with that, then if I need to, I'll go back over it with just like a spray wax or something. But let me get the pad out. Just got one of these applicator pads. And the wax I'm gonna be using is Royal Blue wax. We'll see how that goes. Alright, got it all waxed up. Of course it didn't remove everything, but it did bring some of the shininess back, so we'll take that. I do have to go over it still with like a spray wax to get the little spots, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. I can definitely say that. So let me know what you guys think. Should we keep it black, get it resprayed in black, or do we just wrap it? And if so, what color should we wrap it if I go that route? Gotta throw my spare back on, sitting over there. Let me know if you guys think I should get it tinted. I kind of like the fishbowl look, but tint is I just like tint a lot better. It just makes everything look kind of like low key. I know for sure I need to get another set of tail lights, cause this one filled up with water. I don't know how water got, I'm guessing this crack right here, but unless it's leaking in on the backside and just holding down in this one. Definitely got to get that situated. But yeah, I mean, I like how it's coming out. I'm thinking about getting I'm thinking about putting a lift kit on here just to raise it up a tad bit more. Let me know what you guys think. Drop down what I should do to it. I'm about to go over it with the spray wax, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the final look will be for the time being. And yeah. Alright, so went over it with the chemical guys. Hold on, what is it called? I think it's the graphene spray. Yeah, graphene detail spray. Went over the whole car with it. It definitely is a little bit shinier. Paint does feel smoother. Got most of the gunk out of it, but I say it's definitely not this side, but you look on the other side, it's definitely a 10-footer from that side. So I mean, I'm happy with it. Shit, $500, you can't really beat that. All you gotta do is put a little bit of time and effort into it. You have a decent car. I am looking to see what's the best coating to put on here so I can bring this back to life. I had some ceramic, hold on, damn, I can't even think of what it's called, but I had some stuff that was pretty decent, but I want something that's long term, especially since it's gonna be like outside. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you want to pick this up, I'll drop it down in the description. Adam, oh, I don't know why I said chemical guys. It's definitely Adam's Polishes. They have some very good products, as you can see. I use a variety of their stuff, and it never fails. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I haven't forgot about the Evo either. It's just gotta get it into the shop because it's still leaking coolant. I changed the O-ring on there where it's leaking from. I changed it like 3 times already. It's still leaking. So I'm gonna see when I can get it in the shop so I can get that fixed. But over the weekend we're supposed to have a race with the Evo. Well, of course they backed out last minute, so there goes that. But I'm definitely trying to figure out what else I can do to the Evo to keep you guys locked in with it. Definitely is a task. I do have some parts on the way for the 1000, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's probably gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let me know. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Be cool.